Let us discuss the next question. This is from the year 2020. The Rajya Sabha has equal powers with respect to Lok Sabha in the following: A. Matter relating to creation of the All India services. B. Amending the constitution. C. Removal of the government. 4. Making cut motions. In which of the following aspects the Rajya Sabha has equal and same powers just as the Lok Sabha? Statement A. In the matters of creating All India services. The Rajya Sabha doesn't have equal powers when it comes to creating the new All India services. The Rajya Sabha has exclusive power here. So it has more powers than the Lok Sabha here. So this statement is incorrect. Amending the constitution. Yes, amending the constitution, both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha have equal powers. So this is making sense. We'll keep it on hold. Removal of the government. When we say removal of the government, it means the no confidence motion. Passing the no confidence motion is the exclusive power of the Lok Sabha. The Rajya Sabha doesn't have this power. So this is also incorrect. Making cut motions and all the aspects related to finance, the Lok Sabha has more powers than the Rajya Sabha. So this is also incorrect. So the correct answer here is, when it comes to amending the constitution, the Rajya Sabha has equal powers with respect to the Lok Sabha. Now let us look at the in-depth explanation. What are all the other aspects in which the Rajya Sabha's and the Lok Sabha's powers are equal? When it comes to passing of the ordinary bills, when it comes to passing of constitutional amendment bills, when it comes to the impeachment and election of the president, or when it comes to recommending the president for the removal of the Chief Justice, the judges of the Supreme Court, judges of the High Court, the CEC and the CAG, or when it comes to the approval of ordinance which is issued by the president, or when it comes to the ratification of the emergencies, or when it comes to the selection of ministers. The ministers can be chosen from both the houses equally. That is, a minister can be from any of the houses. It doesn't matter he is from the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. Similarly, even the prime minister can be from any of the houses. So in all these matters, both the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha have equal powers. So coming back to the question, for this question, B, amending the constitution, is the place where Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha both have equal power. So answer is B. Let us discuss the next question. This is from the year 2015. Consider the following statements. Statement number 1. The Rajya Sabha has no power either to reject or to amend a money bill. Statement number 2. The Rajya Sabha cannot vote on the demand for grants. Statement number 3. The Rajya Sabha cannot discuss the annual financial statements. Which of the following statements are correct? When it comes to a money bill, the role of the Rajya Sabha is very limited. The money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. The Rajya Sabha can only discuss on the money bill. The Rajya Sabha cannot amend or reject the money bill. They can only provide the suggestions. And the suggestions given by the Rajya Sabha, they can either be accepted by the Lok Sabha or not accepted by the Lok Sabha. Looking at the statement number 1, the Rajya Sabha has no power either to reject or to amend a money bill. Yes, this is correct. Statement number 2, the Rajya Sabha cannot vote on the demand for grants. Yes, correct. Statement number 3, the Rajya Sabha cannot discuss the annual financial statements. No, this is incorrect. The Rajya Sabha has powers to discuss the annual financial statements just as the Lok Sabha. So this is incorrect. Which of the following statements are correct? Statement number 3 is incorrect. 1 and 2 are correct. So answer will be B, 1 and 2 only. Coming to the legislative powers with respect to the money bill of the Lok Sabha. The money bill, like I said, can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha has no power to either amend the money bill or to reject the money bill. The Rajya Sabha can give the suggestions to the Lok Sabha, and they have to return the bill within 14 days, either with the recommendations or without recommendations. And the Lok Sabha has the power to either accept the suggestions which are given by the Lok Sabha, or they can reject the any suggestions or all of the suggestions. Coming to statement number 2, the Rajya Sabha, it has no power to vote on the demand for grants. It is the exclusive privilege which is there for the Lok Sabha, which we already discussed. And coming to the last statement, the Rajya Sabha has the same powers as the Lok Sabha when it comes to the discussion on the annual financial statements. So hence statement number 3 is incorrect. Because the statement number 3 is incorrect, our answer will be B, 1 and 2 only.